Tenses. We can find verbs at three types. They are present tense, past tense, future tense. Let's start learning more about tenses. Simple tense. We use simple present tense to tell that the action takes place now. We use simple past tense to tell that the action took place before. We use simple future tense to tell that the action will take place after. Let us see some of the examples. I run a marathon twice a year. Present. I ran a marathon last year. Past. I will run a marathon next year. Future. Progressive tense. We use progressive tense to tell that the action is, was, or will be in progressive at a certain time. We use progressive tense with the verb formed be, verb plus ing. Let us look at the examples. I am eating lunch now. Present progressive. I was eating lunch when you saw me. Past progressive. I will be eating lunch in the meeting. Future progressive. Students, now open your textbook, term 3, page number 43. Okay, this is chapter 1, tenses. So let's start writing the textbook part. Complete the following sentences using simple present, past and future tense forms for the given verbs. So here with eat is the verb given here. I dashed lunch in my office. We have to write present, past and future. Okay, present eat, eat. E-A-T, eat. Then what? Past. Eat. Past tense is ate. A-T-E, ate. Then eat. Future. Will eat. W-I-L-L-E-A-T. Okay. Eat, ate, will eat. Will eat, future tense. Next. See is the verb here given. I, present tense, see. S-E-E, see. Next. See, past tense, saw. S-A-W, saw. Then future, will see. Will see. Okay. Next see, know. Know, present tense, know. K-N-O-W. Okay. Past tense, knew. K-N-E-W, knew. And future tense, will know. Will know. K-N-O-W. Okay. Then see, learn. Learn. Present tense, learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Past tense, learned. L-E-A-R-N-E-D. Learned. And future tense, will learn. Will learn. L-E-A-R-N. Okay. Next page turn, students. Look at the picture and ask questions using present, past and future progressive tenses. Okay. We have to add questions. Okay. So, how? Using present, future and past tense. Okay. First of all, see, What is these students doing? Praying to God, right? Yes. So present, how we will ask? Are they praying? A-R-E. Are they praying? P-R-A-Y-I-N-G. Praying. This is present tense. Okay. Next we have to use past tense. Okay. Were they praying? W-E-R-E. Were they praying? P-R-A-Y-I-N-G. Question mark. Then future. Future. Will they be praying? Will they be praying? P-R-A-Y-I-N-G. Okay. Question mark. See? Present are. Past tense were. And future will. So we added. Like this we have to write. Okay. Next picture, see. Yes. This she is cleaning the vegetable, right? So first only one here. Here two are there. So we use are. Here is she cleaning? C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Cleaning the vegetables? The V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Question mark. Okay. Next is was. Is after was. Was she cleaning? C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Cleaning the vegetables? Cleaning the vegetables? V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Question marks. Was she cleaning the vegetables? First present tense is, past tense was, and future tense. Okay. Will she? W-I-L-L. Will she be? We have to add be. I told you, no, while I am explaining the chapter, we have to add be, verb plus ing. No. Will she be cleaning the vegetable? C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Cleaning the vegetables? V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Okay, question mark. See the next picture. Yes, he is swinging, right? So only one person here. So we can use is. Is this boy swinging? T-H-I-S. This boy swinging? S-W-I-N-G-I-N-G. Okay. Question mark. Next is after what? Past tense was. Was the boy? Was this boy swinging? S-W-I-N-G-I-N-G. Question mark. Okay. Now is, was, then future what? Will this boy be swinging? Will this boy be swinging? Why? Because future tense we have to add be plus what? Be verb. Verb is what? Swing here, no? Plus ing. Along with the swing, we have to add ing. Be verb ing. Verb is swing. swing plus ing, swinging. Okay, swing, swinging. Okay, question mark. Next picture, see. Yes, what is she doing? Meditation. No, she is doing meditation. How many members? Only one. So we have to add is. Is she meditating? MEDITATING, meditating. Okay, meditating. Question mark. Is after past tense what? Was, right? Okay, write down. Was she meditating? Meditating. MEDITATIONG. Question mark. Next, future what? Many examples we have written. You can tell now what is the future. Will she be meditating? Meditating? Question mark. Okay. Next picture, see. Yes. What is this boy doing here? He is drawing picture, right? This is not boy. It is a girl. We can give a name for her. Let it be Sita. Okay. So only one girl. So we can use is. Is Sita, 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 drawing, DRAWING. Is Sita drawing a picture, PICTURE, picture of a cloud, of a CLOUD, cloud? Question mark. Okay. Is after was Sita, SITA, S capital letter. Okay, is a noun. Was Sita drawing, DRAWING, drawing a picture, PICTURE, picture of a cloud, CLOUD? Question mark. Next, say future tense. Will Sita, SITA, will Sita be drawing, DRAWING, drawing a picture, PICTURE, picture of a cloud, of a CLOUD? Question mark. Okay. Next, see. Yes. What is she doing here? She is cuddling. Cuddling means what? Hugging. No. Cuddling her pet. No. So only one girl. So we can use is. Okay. Is. Let her be Mary. Okay, you can use your own. You can give any names. Okay. Is Mary, MARY, is Mary cuddling, CUDDLING, cuddling her pet? Question mark. Okay. Next, is after what? Past tense, was Mary, MARY, Mary cuddling, CUDDLING, cuddling her pet? PET, pet? Question mark. Next, future tense. will marry, M-A-R-Y, marry, after what? Be. Be plus what? Verb ing. Verb is cut, cuddling, cut. Okay. Cuddling. Okay. Cuddling her pet. Her pet. Question mark. Okay. Now, use the verbs given in the brackets. Complete the sentences below with the appropriate tenses. Okay. We have to complete with appropriate tenses according to the bracket. Every Monday, Shravani dash to the market. So, we have to write the tenses. Okay. Drive, drives. D-R-I-V-E-S, drives to the market. Be quiet, John dash. Be quiet, John, bracket sleep, is sleeping. No? According to the sentence, we have to change. Is sleeping, S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Be quiet, John is sleeping. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It dash rain. It may rain. It may rain. R-A-I-N. No? Next. I'm sorry. I can't hear what you dash. What you are saying. No? You. Single or plural? Plural. We use you for single and plural also. You means many will be there. No? So, you. So, we have to use are saying. S-A-Y-I-N-G. Okay? Next. I dashed to a movie with my parents yesterday. I dashed to a movie. So, yesterday means past tense. Go past tense, went. I went. Okay. We dash pasta for lunch. So, this is what? Eat here given. So, we eat. We have to write. We eat pasta for lunch. They dash picture at the art contest. Bracket draw. So already past tense or future tense this is. They dash picture at the art contest. Already happened. This is not happened. This is not past. Future this is. Okay. So they will draw. We have to write will draw. This is future. Okay. And students, write everything neatly and send to us in the group. Have a nice day.